The LG V20 user here. Today I'm doing a video about Google Chrome. So I'm on PhoneAndRunning.com here, and it says here Google Chrome will soon stop working on 32 million Android devices. So yeah. So let's check it out and see what it has to say about this, and yeah, let's check it out, shall we? So it says here an estimated 32 million Android devices could very soon no longer work with the Google Chrome mobile browser, according to XDA. A recent comment revealed that the minimum API level for the Chrome mobile browser app will be raised from 4.1 to 4.4. So that tells you guys right there, if you guys have anything below 4.4, you guys will not be able to use Google Chrome on your Android devices. So if you guys have 4.3 or lower, you guys will no longer be able to use Chrome on your Android devices. So you keep that in mind. In order to use Chrome on your Android device, you guys will need 4.4 KitKat or higher to use Chrome on your Android device now. So do keep that in mind, alright? It says that means that those still running an Android handset powered by Jelly Bean will no longer be able to use the most popular mobile browser on earth with over 1 billion installs on Android alone. Alright? So do keep that in mind, guys. So basically Google has raised its minimum requirement for Chrome on Android from 4.1 to 4.4 KitKat, so do keep it in mind. So if you guys got like a Galaxy S4, you guys will not be able to use Chrome on that phone anymore. So yeah, this is based on the latest distribution figures. Jelly Bean is still in use on 3.2% of Android devices, with roughly 1 billion phones and tablets running Google's open source mobile OS. Approximately 32 million devices are affected by this change. When this change will take place, we don't know, but we won't be surprised to see a large number of those phones updated to a newer Android handset sporting a more recent build. Android 4.1 Jelly Bean was released to the public on July 10, 2012. The first stable version of the mobile Chrome browser for Android came on June 27th, 2012. Alright, so basically what that means, guys, so basically in a nutshell, guys, if you guys have any Android device that has 4.3 or lower, you guys will not be able to use Chrome on your Android device running 4.3 or lower. Basically, you guys will need Android 4.4 KitKat to run Google Chrome on your Android device. That's basically what I'm saying here. But there are other browsers to choose from on Android. That's the good thing about Android. You guys have a lot of choices to choose from on browsers. You guys got Firefox. That's what I use on my phone. It's a great browser. It has add-ons. I recommend that you guys use Firefox. It's a great browser, great features, and I recommend using Firefox. That's what I use on my phone. You also have Dolphin browser. You have UC browser, which I do not recommend you guys use that browser. That browser sucks. You guys have you guys have a whole bunch of browsers. Opera browser. You guys got the that browser. You guys got a whole shitload of browsers to choose from on Android. So Google Chrome is not your only choice for browsers on Android. You guys have a shitload of choices. Like Firefox, I recommend that you guys use Firefox, because I recommend it, because that's what I use on my phone. It's a great browser, great features, and yeah, Firefox is awesome. I don't use Chrome on my phone. I don't use Chrome on my phone. I don't do that because Chrome has given me problems in the past on my phone. It's, Chrome. I just don't like Chrome at all. But I don't like Chrome at all on the on mobile. I use Chrome on desktop. I use Chrome as my desktop browser. I use that because I just prefer it. Also have Firefox on my desktop as well. I don't use that as much, but yeah. So basically, you guys have an Android device that runs 4.3 or lower, you guys will no longer be able to use Google Chrome. So you guys want to use something else like Firefox Opera Mini, which don't use that browser either. That browser sucks. UC browser sucks, and the Opera Mini browser sucks. Don't use those browsers. Their browsers suck. Firefox, I recommend that you guys use Firefox. That's what I use, and it's a great browser. Just use Firefox. That's alright. So that's all pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.